Biography Qin Shi Huangdi 259 BC to 210 BC. Qin Shi Huangdi became the ruler of the kingdom of Qin in China in 238 BC. He began expanding his power immediately. By 221 BC, he had conquered all of China. As emperor, he proclaimed that his dynasty would rule for 10,000 generations. Shi Huangdi was a great builder. He ordered the building of 3 highways to reach all parts of his empire. He used these roads to personally oversee the empire. In 214 BC, work began on the Great Wall. The emperor had many achievements, but he was a harsh and strict ruler. For example, his building projects needed the forced labor of hundreds of thousands of his people. Many of them died while working. He also was not open to criticism. He ordered that all books, except those about medicine, farming, and his own rule, be burned. When some scholars objected to this, legend says that Shi Huangdi had many of them buried alive. After his death, Shi Huangdi was buried in an elaborate tomb carved into the side of a mountain. Guarding his body was an army of more than 6,000 life-sized warrior statues. In the walls were arrows, ready to be released if anyone tried to enter the tomb. Learn from biographies. Rebellions began soon after Shi Huangdi's death, and his empire fell about 4 years later. What aspects of the emperor's style of rule may have been responsible for the fall of his empire?